Hello and welcome to Little Havana. My name is Nick Polyushkin. We're gonna talk today about our new construction project at 650 Southwest 1st Avenue. Let's go see the construction progress. We broke the ground about 2 weeks ago and it's already foundation laid out. Let's talk to Elvis, to Raul, and we're gonna see the progress and you're gonna understand what this project is all about. Subscribe to my channel, give us a like, let's go! Elvis, hello.
Hello, Nick.
What's going on here?
Not much, another building.
Nice, good. We haven't finished the first one yet, we began the second one. First one is in progress, so the videos below about Aventura Cuatro. This project called Al Frente Colonial, we in Little Havana. What does Al Frente Colonial mean?
It's a 21-story building
Yeah?
with 21 units.
21
No,
stories!
4-story building.
Soon we're gonna be building high-rises
Yes.
too. So tell us about the process, what is happening right now, the stages, you know.
It's a little bit tight because
Tight,
we don't have
tight.
any room
Yeah. So,
from the property line.
so it's very tight site. So this is a big challenge. When you're building on a tight site, you need to make sure you have enough space. And we're trying to rent this site from the, owners, but they're not agreeing. And we tried to contact the rear parcel, and they don't want to let us rent it. So big issue sometimes if you have a tight site, make sure you have enough room. And sometimes it's impossible to rent the spaces. Look, this site is all vacant, but they're not allowing us.
And the building is taking almost every area in the site. So we have to do first the foundation in that side right there, move all the dirt through here, then move the dirt over there and start doing the foundation. And right now, as 2 days ago, we complete the foundation. It's 100%.
Congratulations. Foundations is a big part of every building, every business. What you do first, laying the foundation when you start the construction.
Now the foundation, we have to do all the masonry blocks, walls. Once it's done, we prepare for the first slab. All the conduits, plumbing, civil, electrical, AC, everything that needs to be underneath on the ground, we are already doing it underground.
Let's go walk the site.
Like in the other projects, Raul already has the 3D model that you can look into your phone and you can go all over all the piping, everything is already set up.
Yeah, Elvis and Raul, they always build, before they start a new project, they build the 3D model of the building with all the site work, with all the plumbing, the electrical, so they can see ahead of time if there are issues in the structure, in the mechanical, in electrical, in engineering. That's super good.
Let me see if I can show you. ¿Tú tienes el laser ahí? El de Hilti. Ven acá. This is Luis.
Hi, Luis. Good. How
This
you
guy,
doing?
he's,
It's okay. I know. It's fine.
he's the guy who's doing the layout. And for the layout, we had a new equipment now that we purchased. It's about $25,000.
Wow.
But
How does it work? Like, oh, this thing?
no, that's it's equipment that we set up points and it gives you the building. And all the layout, it will be through the satellite.
Nice. So it connects to the GPS and it's measuring the
He's
point?
bringing it. He'll show you.
Yeah, show us. This is super cool.
It's like a robot. Wherever you go, he marked the points, so in that way we minimize mistake as well. Makes our life very easy. They tell you that you can use only one person, but no, you always need two.
you see the robot like a little bit ago, it's moving right now. It's looking somewhere to get blocked. Like I have the prism over there in that pole, and I have another one over here, and I have the third one right here. So I set it up with those 3 prisms.
So prism it for GPS signal or for what is it? Just
It's for the
The accurate.
exactly
accuracy.
the accurate.
Whenever he set up, he look into that, and he know exactly in the position that it is. So when you put all the
So we're going to the app right now. This is the app right here. So now they're connected. I'm gonna start doing it manually. You wanna see it? So the prism that we're looking right now is the one that is over there in that pole. So we select it and we shoot. So we have that one. Now we're going to that other one, the second one over there. Oh, I have some leaves right there. Let's see if I can. Okay, connect. So I shoot the next one. And then the third one, I select the prism that I have over there. I change it, and it looks it up for itself. And now I shoot again.
So now it's so all 3 targets.
And we're ready to lay out.
Okay.
And now we're ready to do whatever we want with the layout.
Coordinates.
Exactly.
show him one, for instance, the shear wall for the elevator or anything.
So these critical points to have correct measurements where you can precisely put all the walls with this equipment, all the corners, because if you make a mistake on that, you have to redo the wall, and it's
So she tells you if it's level.
yes
if it's-
level 2.
Yeah, everything.
How can it? So it tells you if it's leveled like this or like vertical.
Because you can put that point
Mm.
in the bottom and the point on top, and it tells you if it's level. If it's off or like a 1/8, a quarter inch,
This is super cool.
it's super precise.
But before all the technology, like, you measure with the rope, and how was it done before?
You have like a stationary
Stationary.
tool that he gives you the lines, the level, and everything. But then the difference of this is whenever you set your grid lines, you have to add every 15 feet, and then you have to measure, and you have to do the number 15 feet plus 10 feet plus 2 feet 4 inches with this equipment. You go to one point and you go to the next one, and you don't have to start adding.
So it's saving time, more precise. Yeah. So if
More
you're
quality.
More quality. So if you're in the construction business, this is a tool to use. If you're planning to build, this is the guy to work with.
Yes.
So what else we can see here?
Well, now we're getting back to 0-0.
So all this soil was here, or did we bring
No,
soil?
it was here.
It was here.
We may have to bring a little bit, but not as much as we think. Once we get all the masonry blocks up, we're getting all the way to the bottom of the slab. Once it's there, we start decking. And this portion, the engineer doesn't allow us to pour it. So we have to set up a compacted and set up the forms. So he don't want any crack because it's only 4 inches. And then after we compact it, we test it. I mean, we bring a different engineering company, and they test the hardening equipment that they tell you the compaction of the soil.
Yeah.
So in order to move.
So what about the timeline? When do you think the structure will be up in this project?
Next week.
No. Oh, the next week. So from the ground, right? But
Yes.
then with the block up to the fourth floor.
All depend,
All depends.
because if we get that lot, it will make our life a lot easier. If we don't get the lot, then
Okay,
we have to work like a
we need power and
Whenever.
energy. Please YouTube, we need to rent this lot or this lot. If you owner of these lots, get back to us. We offer you cash. Take cash.
I read in a book how they build the pyramids.
Pyramids.
And that's how we will bring all the masonry up and everything. But
There is no parking in this project. It's going to be the street parking. The city do not require parking inside the building in this area, and we will have the retail store, retail front store here, which can be a cafeteria, barber shop, service use basically. And we will have 1 2-bedroom and 20 studios over here. Elvis, good progress. We broke the ground. So we broke the ground when? 2 weeks ago?
like 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago. Site work is partially in. The the foundation is in. So
The conduits.
yep, the conduits. And when you lay out the foundation, it's very important to have everything precise because that's the beginning of the project. We are right now at ground zero. Next, we're going up, and we're gonna do the progress.
Plus, you can
very
see
soon.
the footings over there.
Yep.
Most of them they're covered, and the wall footings. And this is like a very hard. This is not like Aventura. This is a very hard. To dig in here, it's like a breaking. That's the rock that is forming.
Everybody's saying in Miami there is like a limestone soil, which is very easy to
No,
break,
this is like a coral rock.
Coral rock.
In order for us to break it, it's like
Now, many scientists saying that there is a lime rock, the water will go through it. I don't believe it. Miami is a place to build, place to be. Come here, invest, build, rent, do the business. We can help you here with Elvis. Elvis can build anything, right?
anything that is on drawings.
Pyramid too? Pyramid?
Yeah, we're reading a book about.
Okay. I like all the little trucks,
You want to jump in?
Huh?
Want to take it?
Can I try?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. See.
So how that work?
Okay. Close the. You take the part. Lift it. Lift it. Lift it. Oh. To turn is like this. One is to go forward, backwards, and the other one is to turn.
Oh, this is super cool. Very cool machine. Can I go back a little bit? Okay, at least now I know what I can do.
Next one will be that one.
This one, next time. This one I can
In the next building. It's one per building.
step by step. Elvis, thank you so much. Great progress. We're building more buildings right now. That's one of our directions with our companies. And, step by step, but we eventually will build larger multifamily buildings, which will be tailored towards our customers, you, where you will enjoy your life with your family. And, it's step by step, but we will get there. And Elvis already been there. He used to build.
Before we go, we have to give the credit to God, number one, and the other one is to Raul. That he's been using that office and being in this.
Yeah,
He's been doing an awesome job.
Thank you, the powers, God, and thank you to Raul, to Elvis, to your team, to our team for making this happening, because development is not easy, but you need to put everything together. The finances, the people, you have to have a land, the permitting, but when you get to the finish, you have an amazing product, everybody happy. And we will get there very soon. We will give a progress report in about a month. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Let's go, Elvis.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'll see you in 2 weeks.
Yes.